What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back again with another video. So before I get into this video, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and also I also do a monthly giveaway to one lucky subscriber every month. So if you want to be part of that, you have to be subscribed to my channel to be part of the giveaway. And yeah, so in today's video, I'll be doing a snack wars of American snacks and Canadian snacks. So I live in Canada, so I had to do the Canadian snacks because they're everywhere in Canada. So I just had to do it. So for the American snacks, I had to go with Lay's because everyone knows Lay's. And I don't think I've tried this one. Okay, I think I've tried this one. So I'm going with this one for the American snacks. And this is for the Canadian snack. It's called Old Dutch Ketchup something. Old Dutch Ketchup. Ketchup chips, I think. So I'll be doing a taste test of this. And I'll give my honest opinion on how it tastes like, what it tastes like, or if it's good or bad. And I also do it for this one, for the Lay's. And for the Bev, I have water. So yeah. So now let's get into the video. Okay, I think I'll try this one first because I've tried this already and I know what this tastes like. So, but this one, I don't know what this tastes like. If it's good or bad, I don't know. Normal Lay's. And I'll be rating it on a scale of 1 to 10. One more bite. One more bite. It's salty. One more bite. I can't really feel it. I think after one more bite, I'll feel it well. It's nice.
No.
Lay's. One more bite. I'm joking. So for Lay's, I think I'll give this solid. I'll rate this a solid 6.5. I'll rate Lay's a 6.5 because shit. Me personally, I don't like this. It's salty. I don't like salt. So I rate the Lay's a 6.5 out of 10. That's valid. That's not bad. So okay, I don't know what. I genuinely haven't tasted this before. I have no idea what this tastes like. Who makes ketchup out of chips? Who makes ketchup and chips together? The fuck? Okay. Hell no. Canadian chips. Canadian. It is a Canadian snack, I think. Somewhere made in Canada, something like that. Made in Canada is down here. Okay, so for the first one, smells odd. Like, who makes ketchup and chip? Who mixes ketchup and chips together? That's a very, very crazy combination. Look at me, I'm talking. I mix stupid things every time. Fuck. Okay, first bite. What the fuck? My honest, like, what the fuck? One more bite. One more bite. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Who the fuck makes ketchup and chips? Who mixes ketchup and chips to make a snack? That's crazy, right? This did taste. I'm done with that bullshit. So I will read this, and this is my opinion. This is my personal opinion. Might be different to you people watching. This ketchup chips is straight dog shit. So I rate this 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. Why? Cause why did I give it that rating? Because I just don't see myself buying this when I'm hungry. I don't see myself buying this bullshit when I'm hungry. So I think that's the end of this Snack Wars video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share. Don't forget about the monthly giveaway I do to one lucky subscriber every month. I give out a gift card, so I give out a gift to a lucky subscriber every month. So if you want to be part of that, want to be part of the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to watch my videos. So stay tuned for the next video tomorrow, and I love you all. Give me a kiss.